Hi and welcome to my kitchen. It's Carrie the chemist here. Today I am going to make chili. So come and join me in my kitchen today and watch how I make my chili. Come on in. Spoon. We'll start with at least a tablespoon of butter in our pan. Just gonna turn the heat on to melt that butter. Now we're gonna add one large chopped onion to our butter. Now I'm adding my garlic. I use my garlic crusher to crush 4 garlic cloves. So I'm just gonna add we'll add some oregano, and this is around half a teaspoon. So I put these in earlier so that I can get the flavors going. So we just let that cook at slow heat. Okay, so I have here ground turkey. If you have beef or chicken, that's just as good. Whatever you have available. So I seasoned this before, and now I'm just gonna add it to my onion garlic and just let it cook. When it's not like that pinkish color anymore, you know that it's cooked, so give it about 10 to 15 minutes to get ready. Okay, so this is 10 minutes of cooking, and you can see that our turkey is not pink anymore. So now it's time to add our tomatoes. I have 2 medium tomatoes that I've diced. Just gonna add that turkey. I have bell peppers that I've chopped. Don't chop them too small because I don't want them to be very soft and mushy, so I just do them like medium size. Thing totally optional, and this is just my personal choice. I'm gonna add some mushrooms to my chili because this is what I like. Okay, I'm just gonna add my beans. I've cooked these so they're soft. You can use canned beans if that's what you have. And I have 2 cups of chicken broth, vegetable broth that I had in the freezer. So some of it is frozen, and I put it in the pot so that it melts. So just gonna cover this up. I'm adding some tomato paste or sauce, or whatever tomato that you have. This was in the freezer because when I have extra and I don't want to use everything, I put them in the freezer so that when I have another similar dish, I can use it up. So that's why it's like this. So I'm using what I have to make delicious meals. You don't have to go to the supermarket every time you need to cook. Just cover that so that it melts. I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of brown sugar to my chili. Add a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Give it a little spice. Ooh. So I'm letting my chili cook open pot so that it boils off some of the extra water. I'm adding a heaping tablespoon of tomato paste to my chili. So this is what it looks like at this point. Oops. Yeah. Okay. So we're just going to turn the flame off now and serve our chili. So this is our chili. Nice thick consistency, full of deliciousness. Okay, I'm gonna serve this with some rice.